Hello, this is Sandeep SG. You are 16CS081. This is WebTech Lab experiment number 5. In this, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to use JavaScript to perform various functions and attributes that has to be done. So here the first thing is to find the longest word that is present. So I write apple is awesome. So the output should be awesome on the screen as shown here. We get the output. Now to enter, if I enter like my height and my meters, I'll get whether I'm obese, thin, fat, whatever be the result according to the functions logic that is available. Now flower evaluator is the one that when I give an input, it should print that many flowers onto the screen. Let's say if I go for 4, it should grow 4 roses. Now if I click on remove, it should remove it, and this is a randomized function, so when I grow, every time a different image comes over, so like that. Now we have weight converter. Weight converter basically converts to pounds and kgs. So whatever I give here, it converts here. So if I give 10 kg and I want it to be converted to pound, I can convert it, or the vice versa. Now here we have tails and heads. So here it's already in tails, so I click, I can shift it to heads. When I click back, it goes to tail, heads, tails. So this is the function. Now let's look into the code, how it works. So here I have created experiment 5. I have given each one of them IDs, and I have segregated them with their heights. As here I have divided into green and yellow. After that, I have created the JavaScript where I am taking the input and then I am evaluating it from there. Then I am assigning the value into the text box, whether it is underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. After that, I added, this section is not necessary. After that, I have added a find the longest word string. Here I have written the logic for the longest string, and then each of the string is stored into an array, and then I try to find which is the longest word present in the array. When I get the longest word, I just echo it or print it into the final one. Now BMI calculator, here also it goes to another function known as add, and in that it evaluates according to the formula that has been assigned whether the height that is maximum or minimum, and then it gives us the output. In the grow function, what I have done is I take the input, I go to the randomize section of the function, I assign it to the random array of the address. These are random image addresses that have been available online. I use them and I assign them onto the web page, so I get the output as per desire. Now remove, it just clears the entire screen once and for all. Similarly, now looking at the conversion, this is to convert it in, this function is returned to convert it to kgs, and this function is returned to convert it into pounds. So I just use it, I have linked them with their respective IDs, and I'm able to call them on their requirement. And this is the entire experiment, and this is the output of the entire page. Thank you. Experiment 5 has been executed successfully.